Congratulations, you have just purchased Structure and Style for Students Year 1 Level C Basic Plus Package. My name is Julie Walker, and I'm here to help you unbox your product. The first thing that you'll find in your box is the What's in the Box flyer, which explains some of the same things that I'm talking to you about today. Additionally, the Forever Streaming Activation Card. You will use this to register your product and give your students access to their videos. Now, if you purchase the DVDs, this is how you would access the video. You will not have a Forever Streaming Card. So either DVDs or Forever Streaming Card. Your student binder contains the teacher's manual as well as the student packet. And we're going to put together your student binder so that they're ready for their class. Pull the student materials out of the plastic and then drop it into the back of the student binder. Then, as explained on page 5 of the teacher's manual and the student materials, you're going to take the first few pages out of the top of the packet and put it at the front of your binder. That's it. Your student binder is all set up. Mr. Poudois on the video will instruct the students to take out a fresh sheet of paper or look in their packet for a handout that he's passing out in class. And at the end of every class, the students will be instructed of how to organize their binder. What's also in this package is our Fix-It grammar materials, as well as our portable walls. That's it. We believe that this will be an effective way to teach your students to write, and we guarantee it.